Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at this link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's movement, definitely some updates here need to be made as the craziness continues. So first thing, before anything else, going to do some house cleaning, just get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels still pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 1115, the newest area of support, what I would call the ideal level. If you ask Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, ideally, if the price can stay above 1115, that would be a huge sign of power. But don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below that level, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Everyone must visualize that. That is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 1115 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance moving forward? For this, I'm going to change to the daily time frame because, as you're about to see, it has been a long time since the price has been up this high. Some old annotations there, so let's squeeze down the chart here some more. And like I said, hard to see, but good problem to have when we're going back because the price is literally sitting at multi-month highs. But next key battleground headed into Friday, right up there at $12.50. And if 12.50 can be broken, next key level after that, up there at 13.40. So overall, though, monster volume, monster price movement. Let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.